At first I was afraid, I was petrified. I kept thinking I could never live without you by my side. But then I spent so many nights just thinking how you done me wrong. I grew stronger, I learned how to get along, and so you're back from outer space. I just walked in to find you here with that there look upon your face. I should have changed my fucking lock. I would have made you leave your key. If I'd have known for just 1 second you'd be back to bother me.